Hello guys, my name is Tuba. Welcome to CeoFix channel. If you wanna watch more video like this, always stay subscribed. In this video, I will try to show you disable Google Chrome bookmarks bar on the top page. Okay, let's go. Begin quick tutorial. Go to CeoFix web page and click download button. Choose save file options. Open downloads folder. Right click and choose extract here. Double-click Chrome bookmark file. Confirm the user account control dialog if prompted. It will show a pop-up window with the text Google Chrome bookmark bar has been disabled. Do you want to restart Google Chrome? Just click Yes button. It will no longer display bookmarks bar on the top page and other web pages. If you want to apply enable the Google Chrome bookmarks bar, simply double-click on the Chrome bookmark bar file. Confirm the user account control dialog if prompted. It will show a pop-up window with the text Google Chrome bookmarks bar has been enabled. Do you want to restart Google Chrome? Just click Yes button. It will display bookmarks bar on the top page and other web pages. Okay, that's all. Please subscribe to CeoFix channel. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and you can comment. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.